As the sun rises over the horizon, a new era of autonomous operations is taking shape. A drone lifts off from a remote field site, its rotors cutting through the morning air. Nearby, a ground robot navigates an industrial yard with quiet precision. Sensors line a perimeter, gathering data in real time, while a field engineer monitors it all from a tablet. These are not isolated experiments. They represent a fundamental shift in how we conduct inspection, observation, emergency response, and information gathering in locations that are difficult, dangerous, or simply too demanding for traditional human deployment. Unmanned systems are no longer a future concept. They are active, operational, and expanding across industries worldwide. The promise of autonomy is being realized, one mission at a time, grounded in real-world performance and driven by the need to operate where others cannot. Robotic platforms are becoming more capable with every development cycle. Distributed sensor networks now cover terrain that was once impossible to monitor continuously. Edge computing brings real-time awareness to locations far from centralized infrastructure. Software is growing more intelligent, navigation more precise, and sensing more refined. The autonomous systems of today can perceive, decide, and act with a level of sophistication that would have seemed extraordinary just a decade ago. And yet, across every platform category, across every operational environment, one fundamental constraint continues to interrupt missions, limit deployment windows, and drive up the cost of keeping these systems in the field. It is not processing power. It is not sensor resolution. It is not software capability. It is energy. The ability to keep a platform powered, continuously and reliably, remains the single greatest barrier to realizing the full promise of autonomous operations. Power is the bottleneck. Watch what happens when a mission hits its real limit. A drone descends not because the objective is complete, but because the battery is spent. A technician drives out to a remote sensor enclosure, not to collect data, but to swap a power pack. Equipment cases are loaded into vehicles before dawn, not for the mission itself, but to sustain it. And somewhere nearby, a tethered drone circles within a tight radius, its capability artificially constrained by the cable keeping it alive. This is the operational reality that no amount of intelligent software or advanced sensing can solve on its own. The question facing every autonomous deployment is not whether the platform is smart enough. It is how long that platform can stay active before power forces it down, and how much battery weight is already eating into the payload and mission duration it was designed to deliver. Keeping autonomous fleets operational is not simply a technical challenge. It is a logistical one. Every deployment requires people, vehicles, spare batteries, charging stations, and significant labor hours just to sustain continuous operation. Onboard energy storage remains indispensable, but it carries real trade-offs. More battery capacity means more weight, reduced payload, and compromised mission duration. Less capacity means shorter windows before a platform must return, recharge, or be swapped out entirely. When power runs low, missions pause. Data gaps appear. Opportunities are lost. Tethered systems offer one alternative, keeping platforms continuously powered through a physical line, but they restrict range, limit maneuverability, and introduce their own operational complexity. Neither approach fully solves the endurance problem. This is precisely the gap that MaxWave is being developed to address, a fundamentally different way of thinking about how power reaches the platforms that need it most. MaxWave develops focused wireless power systems built for autonomous platforms and remote edge operations. The core mission is straightforward: deliver electrical power to an asset without a physical wire connecting source to receiver. The system begins at a ground-based transmitter, positioned at a fixed location and connected to an available power source. That energy is shaped into a directional link and guided toward a compact receiver integrated into the target platform. From power source to transmitter, through a focused directional link to receiver, the path is deliberate, controlled, and purpose-built. This approach is what MaxWave calls millimeter wave wireless power. Rather than radiating energy broadly into the environment, the system establishes a point-to-point power delivery connection, concentrating available power precisely where an operational asset needs it, when it needs it, without a cable in between. What separates MaxWave from conventional wireless energy concepts is precision. This is not a broadcast system dispersing energy in all directions, hoping something nearby picks it up. This is directed power delivery, engineered to support a specific receiving asset at a specific location during a defined operational window. The system is built around three core elements. The first is the transmitter. Positioned at a fixed location and connected to a reliable power source, the transmitter directs energy toward its intended target using advanced reflector architectures and reconfigurable antenna systems. These components work together to shape and steer the energy beam with accuracy, ensuring that power leaves the transmitter as a focused, intentional signal rather than a diffuse emission. As these animated diagrams illustrate, every element of the transmitter architecture is designed around one principle: getting power precisely where it needs to go. The second component is the receiver, a compact rectenna-based system integrated directly into unmanned aircraft, robotic platforms, or sensor nodes. Rectenna, short for rectifying antenna, is the core technology that captures incoming millimeter wave energy and converts it into usable, direct current electrical power. That power can then support the platform's onboard systems directly, supply payload equipment such as cameras or communications hardware, or replenish onboard battery storage for extended operations. This makes the receiver a genuinely flexible energy interface rather than a single-purpose component. The third element bringing the system together is beam control. Using scanning, range, focusing, and closed-loop tracking, the system continuously keeps transmitted power aligned with the intended receiver, even as that receiver moves through its operational environment. The result is a power link that adapts in real time, focused, tracked, dynamic. To understand why this matters, consider what happens when energy is broadcast rather than directed. A broadcast system radiates power outward in all directions, and by the time that energy reaches a target even a short distance away, most of it has already dispersed into the surrounding environment. The receiving platform captures only a small fraction of what was originally transmitted. That is an inefficient foundation for powering a mission-critical asset. MaxWave takes a fundamentally different approach. Rather than radiating broadly, the system directs a focused beam toward a specific receiver, keeping that link aligned as the platform moves. The available power concentrates where it is actually needed. Autonomous platforms do not need energy scattered across a wide area. They need it delivered precisely, reliably, and continuously to the right system at the right moment. That principle of deliberate, mission-oriented wireless energy delivery is what the entire MaxWave architecture is built around. When you apply focused wireless power delivery across different platform types, the operational benefits become tangible and specific. For drones, the ability to receive power during a mission window may support longer time on station and reduce the frequency of battery change cycles that interrupt continuous coverage. For robotic platforms operating across remote industrial or infrastructure sites, it may support persistent work without requiring repeated manual charging stops that pull technicians away from other responsibilities. For distributed sensing systems deployed in non-grid connected environments, it may meaningfully reduce the maintenance burden associated with battery servicing across geographically spread nodes. The goal here is not to eliminate batteries from the equation entirely. Onboard storage remains essential. The goal is to reduce how often autonomy is limited solely by the energy available on board. Extend endurance. Reduce power logistics. Unmanned aerial vehicles are being deployed across agriculture, critical infrastructure, remote industrial sites, and disaster response staging areas. The operational value they deliver depends entirely on how long they can stay airborne and active, but every landing changes that equation. When a drone comes down to recharge or swap a battery, data collection stops. Monitoring gaps appear. Human operators must intervene. Ground crews, spare batteries, and turnaround time all become part of the mission cost. This is not just an endurance question. It is a productivity question. MaxWave is developing a power beaming capability designed to extend operational windows for compatible, unmanned aerial vehicle platforms. Rather than accepting repeated interruptions as an unavoidable constraint, the goal is to reduce how often those interruptions occur, keeping platforms active, data flowing, and operators focused on the mission rather than the battery. The need for wireless power extends well beyond aerial platforms. Consider a ground robot conducting inspection rounds near industrial storage tanks, operating far from the nearest outlet, or a perimeter sensor network stretched across kilometers of terrain with no grid connection in sight. These are environments where running cable is either impossible, prohibitively expensive, or simply impractical given the pace of deployment. Remote off-grid sites, disaster relief staging areas, and forward edge operations all share a common challenge: distributed assets that need power but lack reliable access to it. MaxWave is being developed as a potential energy transfer layer in exactly these scenarios, bridging a centralized power source and the distributed platforms that depend on it. Whether the asset is a robot, a sensor node, or an edge computing unit, the underlying need is the same: reliable energy delivered without wire. MaxWave is not starting from a blank page. The company holds active federally funded small business innovation research support, with Phase 2 development currently underway, a milestone that reflects both technical credibility and program maturity. This work is conducted in collaboration with the University of Wisconsin-Madison, bringing academic research depth into applied engineering development. The team carries deep expertise across radio frequency systems, antenna design, and energy conversion, the precise disciplines required to make wireless power delivery practical in real operational environments. Current development is targeting 100 watts delivered at 100 meters, a near-term benchmark designed to validate core system performance. The longer-term roadmap points toward 1 kilowatt at 1 kilometer, a meaningful capability threshold for field deployment. This is deliberate, measured engineering progression, building from proven fundamentals toward scalable, mission-relevant power delivery. The future of autonomy is not a single platform operating in isolation. It is a distributed ecosystem: drones, robots, sensors, and edge systems working across vast and varied environments. That ecosystem demands energy infrastructure that is equally flexible, equally distributed, and equally capable of reaching where it is needed most. MaxWave is building the connective energy transfer layer that makes this possible, helping power move from where it is available to where it is most valuable. For original equipment manufacturers, government programs, research institutions, and industrial operators, the opportunity to integrate wireless power delivery into your platforms and programs is open now. If persistent operations matter to your mission, let us build toward that future together. Persistent power, infinite endurance. Visit www.maxwave360.com to discuss a pilot program or platform integration today.